Welcome back, everybody. Happy Friday. It's almost the weekend, and it's going to start on a rainy note. The rain is coming down here in downtown Helena. 58 degrees. We had a high of right around 63 before this moisture came in. Nowhere close to that record high set back in 2011, and we won't be anywhere near that this weekend. But there are some places that are still holding on to the heat. Eastern Montana, we're in the low 80s right now compared to the low to mid 50s out in the west. Quite the temperature gradient, and you see the streak of green and blue from southwest to north central Montana. That's where we had a pretty consistent rain band set up through most of the day, and those are slightly cooler temperatures due to that. The wind is not so bad out there right now. That's associated with the shower that's coming through right now, so west wind of 17 miles an hour in Helena. Overall, the wind has been on the lighter side today, gusty up there in northeast Montana. So here's a look at the radar right now. The line of showers coming through, possibly even a rumble of thunder or two. So we'll take a look, zoom into that. Heaviest rain right over Helena right now. There is a few light showers back behind this that could hit us on and off throughout the rest of tonight. Zooming things out here, you would see this and think there's not a whole lot of activity in the Pacific Northwest, but that cloud cover into southern Canada, that's our cold front that will come through this weekend and give us a little bit of snow. The rest of the country pretty quiet as well, but the National Hurricane Center has just put a new area of concern over the Florida Peninsula, so that's something to watch over the next week. Back into Montana, we will have some showers and possibly even a few thunderstorms continuing on into this evening from Helena to Butte, Bozeman. By about 6 to 7 to 8 o'clock, they'll move through the area just slightly south and east of town here. Maybe Townsend, Toston, Three Forks. That's where we could be looking at some rain overnight. Mostly cloudy skies to begin tomorrow, possibly even a couple of rain showers as well. Cold front coming in from the north. That is our snowmaker, at least for the Helena area. We will have snow for most of the day down into the Beartooth Mountains. Pretty heavy rain into south central and southeast Montana as well. A few showers developing by tomorrow afternoon, and then high pressure starting to move in. That's going to squeeze the rest of the moisture out of the atmosphere. And by Sunday morning, looking at some rain converting over to snow. And yes, possibly even down into the Helena Valley as well. Could be looking at a few snowflakes, likely not any accumulation here, but we will have accumulation into the higher terrain. If you're traveling over McDonald Pass Sunday morning, we could see a little bit of snow out there into Powell County as we are under a winter weather advisory there, not here in Helena. So in terms of rain and snow to come, a lot of rain into southeastern Montana, snow up along the Continental Divide, down pretty close to Helena, maybe Great Divide. Marysville could be looking at some snow, Lincoln as well, but overall, mainly just wet conditions here in Helena. Here's the forecast for tonight. A lot of us into the 30s and 40s. Some rain showers will be around, and the unsettled weather continues into the weekend, but Monday morning lows could be looking at the first hard freeze for many locations of the year, so make sure you take that jacket out with you if you're heading out the door on Monday morning. Temperatures will be warming through next week, sunny to mostly sunny skies with highs in the 60s and 70s by the middle of the week.